Hello, everyone. Let's take a look at the week 2 written assignments. It's the Annotated Bibliography. In this assignment, you're going to identify references to use in your research paper. Again, we are building the research paper throughout the course, and your research paper is built upon the week 1 research question. So your annotated bibliography should relate to the topic of your week 1 research question. So be sure your references relate to your research question. You're going to go to the online library for the University of Cumberland and find 7 references related to your research topic, your research question. Now, those sources should be peer-reviewed. And peer-reviewed means that they have undergone a formal peer review before being published in a journal or presented at a conference. So you're looking for academic sources, then you can find those in the Cumberland Online Library. There will be a checkbox where you can specify that you want peer review sources. Look for sources related to your topic, and you need 7 sources. And you want sources published in the last few years, let's say the last 3 years. Because by the time you complete your dissertation, it could be 1 to 2 years from now. And so by using sources in the last 3 years, that means by the time your dissertation is finished, the sources will be no older than 4 to 5 years old. So you can use these sources, if you like, even in your dissertation. So for this assignment, you do need 7 peer-reviewed references, and you need annotations. Now, annotations are a description of the sources that you have found. And the annotations that I'm looking for this assignment are 3 separate paragraphs. You need a summary paragraph, an evaluation paragraph, and a reflection paragraph. Now, the summary paragraph is just a summary of the source. Just do a quick summary, 2 or 3 sentences, about the source itself. Then the evaluation is a critique, your personal critique of the quality of the source. And the reflection is how you might use that source in your final research paper. Then your deliverable for week 2. You need a title page with your title, name, and the university. Then your annotated bibliography, and then your certificate of authorship, certifying that this was your own work. Again, it's APA style. Let me give you an example. So this might be my title page. I have a page break here. And then start with, an APA style, your reference. APA style includes the author's last name, comma, their first and maybe middle initial, the year in parentheses, the name of your reference, information about the publication, and if it's an online reference, use the retrieved from and the URL. Use a hanging indent. To create a hanging indent, select your reference, right-click, go to Paragraph, and here choose under Special Hanging, and then choose 1/2 inch here. Now after you create your reference, then type a summary paragraph here. Then your evaluation paragraph, then your reflection. The summary just describes the reference, what it is. The evaluation is a critique, your personal critique of the reference, and reflection is how you might use it in your paper. This would be 1 reference, and you need 7. Then you repeat this and find another reference, and that would be your second one. Find your second reference, repeat your summary, evaluation, and reflection. You will not have a reference page on an annotated bibliography. I look forward to seeing your work. Let me know if you have questions.